igama uBuyolethu Mwakagwala. Namhlanje sikhona la eMayville eThekwini lapho uhulumeni wase-KZN ubuhlangene nosomabhizinisi ukuzokhuluma nje about indlela esingathuthukisa ngazo osomabhizinisi, particularly those in the spaza shop sector. Eduze kwami ngino-MEC waka-Etia Reverend Musazweni. Sabona njani namhlanje? It's been a long day. Kade ngiqalile ngikhuluma yinje yenye uma ngabe ngasesiqhafuqhafu nezinto kade ngixoxa namhlanje nosomabhizinisi ezithatha i-KZN forward.
Into enkulu ebesiyihlanganele lapha namhlanje bekuhlanganisa ama-small business, especially laba sector yama-spaza shops. Ngenhloso yokuthi noma ama-foreign nationals ebesekhona besithola ukuthi abantu bakithi overtaken by events sekuyama-foreign nationals, must be statistics asemaningi aba-displays bangakwazi ukukhompyutha nabo. Besizokhuluma ngokuthi yini edala ukuba bangakwazi ukukhompyutha nabo. Okwesibili besibheka manje ukuthi after the 30th of June amanye ama-foreign nationals esehambile sala ama-spaza shops avala. Inkinga ukuthi-ke amaningi ama-spaza shops awafikanga nama-foreign nationals, ayevela ukuphatha abantu bengithi basebanini ukuthi-ke manje nje besekuvaliwe bazokwenzani-ke laba ababephumile ngoba bethi abakwazi ukumela i-competition. So-ke bekuhlanganisa-ke ama-programs esinawo kwi-department yakwa-Etia Economic Development, Tourism and Environmental Affairs esiza i-bulk buying, esiza ukuthi bakwazi nabo ukuthi to sharpen isimo sabo sokusebenza kanye nokuthi basibuke amanye ama-agencies of government, both provincial, national and otherwise bebekhona, plus the private sector ngoba nabo bane-interest in how can they come in this space ba-assist the South Africans ngoba bakwazi ukuthi ba-trade effectively. I-main aim yethu ezinkulu ukuthi singenza kanjani ukuthi abantu bethu bakwazi ukuparticipate effectively kwi-economy of the country. So this sector is small, SMEs, spaza shops, yenza ukuba le refrain noma le phrase esishoyo so that no one is left behind, inclusive economy, ibonakale-ke in reality operational on the ground. So beso-addressa lawo ma-issues. Sijabule kakhulu ukubona ukuthi almost the entire province from Kanyawude district down to Kwini bebephelele abahwebi and aspirant traders abafuna ukungena bekhuluma ngama-existential problems abahlangabezana nawo nokuthi angasolve kanjani. Nabanye abenza research area of doing business bebekhona, academic institutions and so on. Bonke-ke laba besibabizela ukuthi nabo babe yingxenye ukuze kube yi-collaborative effort. Okwesithathu ukuthi Premier usenzele into enhle ukuba ithathe le program ingabi i-sectoral problem yethu thina ne-program yethu thina njenge-department, kodwa wayilifta up ukuthi be-provincial problem and program. Ngakho-ke bayinikeza i-spotlight sokuthi asifocuse kule area ukuze kube khona i-energy collaborate all government departments within the province, the private sector, wholesalers, they are part of the private sector. Bese collaborate nama-agencies aqhamuka from other national government departments so that ukwazi ukuthi sincede sisize all small business aba-operator kule sector yama-spaza shops. Sizwile-ke nebebekusho ukubana kuba bene-opportunity ukuba ba-ventilate ama-problems abo. So lokho kuzosenza-ke kusinikeza lokuthiwa i-food for thought esesiyohamba sisebenzele khona there's a lot of room for improvement okufanele siyenze, kodwa ithuba livulekile, especially for youth, women and people with disabilities.
Kulama engagements kade khona because the competition sesinesikhathi esalile. Kulama engagements ekade ninawo, mhlambe what are some of the key issues abawaziyo ukuyibona hindrance in terms of development?
Number one is access to funding. Number two, compliance, especially on our bylaws and municipality. And number three, training profitable businesses. So it is into and then number four, sibone kathina ngabavezela ukuthi abacooperate abahlangani each individual isenzela okwayo ihlangabezana nama-profit. Whereas mushroom from foreign nationals bona ahlangana or ocindezelekile asizwe badonsane bafulane baye phambili bahamba bonke baye phambili. So ileso spirit esisithandazelayo ukuthi sibe khona nosomabhizinisi bakithi, kungabi yinto yomuntu oyedwa. Kube khona iy'phakamiso ezinye ezenziweyo abanye bathi bakhiwe ama-cooperatives azohlanganisa ama-spaza shops ukuze akwazi ukurealize production yama-products. But okunye uthola ukuthi badayisa i-detergent noma sibezoyibiza ngamagama abo, kodwa bathola ukuthi kukhona i-detergent emanufacture yilabo bantu abathenga kubona ebiza i-price ukuthi low. So bona bese bengakwazi bakwazi uku-accessa uku-close system, bese ufica ukuthi nalena ebrandiwe abayifakile iy'tolo zabo izohlala kuma-shelves emathenga, tholakala ukuthi across the road lena enye abantu badayithina from detergent ezosiwasha impahla zethu siwashe izitsha zethu iyasebenza uthenga yona. Meanwhile laba bala emsatsi abakwazi uku-accessa. So yizo zonke lezi zinto ezizobaluleka ukuthi ziningi izinto okufanele zenziwe ezama-programs okufanele one program must speak to the other. Sinayo i-program yokusiza abantu bathi manufacture ama-detergents in various townships emadadeni kwamasha eRingoni and such, but it does not yet fit in the program and it's not well known. Any problem abayi-highlighting about njengoba be-small individual businesses, uma behamba bayo-order from the wholesalers bashaya i-transport ukuthi bayendaweni ekude kakhulu, lokho bese bebuya bafactorishe i-transport expenses bezama ukuba bathi break even, impahla yabo ibisiba very expensive. Kanti uma ama-wholesalers ebengaba nohlelo lokubadilivela in a particular vicinity lapho engakhona, bengenza ukuthi wehlise izinga lokubafaka bese kuthola ukuthi iy'mpahla zabo sey'dula kakhulu.
So going forward from today, you've heard iy'khalazo zabo, you said you're going back to the drawing board. Mhlambe ikuphi ongaqinisekisa abalaleli out there, particularly our businesses, ukuthi i-role enizozama ukuthi niyidlale to try and mitigate those issues abazifacing?
Abaphakamisile sokuhlangabezana nabo, kodwa okunye ngibonile ukuthi kukhulu kakhulu, ngijabula kakhulu ngoba sikhuluma ngo-GCIS. Kunama-programs amahle kakhulu kuma-departments, kodwa ngicabanga ukuthi abantu abanalo ulwazi, communication. Okuningi ebebekhala ngakho ama-programs already and they are not takers, simply because abantu abazi khona lack of information aseexiste for a long time. Abanye bathi hawu thina siqala ukuzwa la namhlanje ukuthi kanti kune-program enje. So kufanele lokho sikuqikelele kakhulu uba sikwenze ukuthi kusebenze. Kodwa-ke speaking from myself as u-MEC wakwa-AID, to reach out to my local traders and business people. Sikwenza phela via local municipalities, we don't just bypass them. Noma sisa usizo sibuyisa via ama-LED departments ama-local municipality. Kune-disjunction between us and them. Though the municipalities anamanye ama-priorities, thina sinenye priority, kodwa basala abantu besizana. So that is what the man the premier fine-tune ngoba that's IV. Uzokwazi ukuthabisa uSALCA, South African Local Government Association, municipality bonke labo ukuba baparticipate effectively ukuze basapothathe programs intentionally or unintentionally okufanele basize abantu ngenxa yokuthi ama-priorities at local government level ashintsha overnight, whereas at provincial and national level ikhona i-consistency, but we are all dependent in local delivery facility, local sphere of government, ukhona leyo disjunction. In the absence of this sector being organized, we are solely reliant on the local government sphere of government, over the students and the small business. Otherwise, one of my individuals who dangerous food norms of department or particular government official in these and also business material, you create divisions in the community. So you need to come back so accommodate bonke abantu. Kodwa kokunye sithe sizokwenza sizoba nama-roadshows. Lesizivese siwaqalile into engaya nje mkhuze ngaya eZululand sinohlelo lokuba siye eduzane siyokhuluma nabo abantu bethu uba sikhuluma nabo eduze lokukhuluma baneza bonke bazoshiya amabhizinisi abo kanti uma beke bawashiya amabhizinisi abo abahambi kahle ngakho bayibambele ba-hands-on. Sokufuneka sisondele eduze kwabo sibanike ithuba elihle si-advertise kusenesikhathi sobe sokhuluma nani between this hour and that hour, ungabe isikhathi bevule ekuseni, ungabe isikhathi kufanele bavale ntambama ukuze sikwazi ukufika eduze lezi zinto siyikhulume kahle ngoba babuye bakhale ngokuthi nama-government officials ethu akhona kuma-district offices kwesinye isikhathi awekho very agile ukuthi abasize. Ngakho konke lokho kusho uhulumeni must-shape up akwazi ukuba alalele izimfuno zabantu sikwazi ukufika bona eduze kwabo.
So nje lilonke MEC into engiyizwa nje ukuthi there must be more collaboration both from a government perspective at all levels of government, sonke sisebenzisane for the improvement. Nangala futhi business sector nabo futhi basebenzisane so that bazokwazi ukuthi sifulane sonke siye sonke phambili.
Kakhulu kufanele kube njalo sigcizelele nasekuqaleni somhlangano ukuthi lena i-problem engayisolve ithina government siyisolve. I-problem lena engayisolve ubusiness babo. So siyadingana ukuba sibambisane private sector, osomabhizinisi, ithina, umasipala, sonke sicollaborate ngoba i-common problem yethu le. All in all, sizama ukwenza sizama ukuthi sibe ne-inclusive economy. Njengoba kunama-high figures, high level of unemployment kulala mangayithi. I-sector lena kufanele siguqule nanokucabanga kwabantu, especially young people. Ukhulumile omunye ubaba lapha nomunye umama wathi lapha ekhaya uthola ukuthi ngirana i-sponsorship elentokana kodwa yona iqoka ukuthi iphume ihambe iyobamba idoro ihole lenyanga u-3,000 kodwa mina lapha ekhaya senza u-30,000 a day. Ibukela phansi lokho kwenzekala uba ibuke njengebhizinisi hayi ngeke mina ngiyenze lento kanti ifunde ngayo so kufuneka ube ne-mind shift yezokakhona ngoba enye into ayibonayo kulaba bokufika bebekhona bona bahluphi bebengahluphi masebafela bona bahluphi ngokuthi nothi ngasekeleni ukuthi kuzobe khona nefemu bese siyophiwisha siyoba ngaqueue lapha sithi sifuna abantu bemsebenzi they-create their own jobs kunaleso
Zonke
ama-South Africans adinga ukuba nesiwasiza abe ne-mind shift abe nale-burning desire to do something. Uma senze njalo whether base-Asia nabakuphi, we as Africans in totality sidinga nathi to catch up with South Africans sibe naleyo agility sibe ama-go-getters then sobe sesikwazi ukuparticipate
so there you have South Africa. I-mind shift iyadingeka, collaboration iyadingeka, sasonke sisithuthuke, sihambe ngomzila owodwa, sasonke siphakame sonke. Thank you so much for your time, ABC. Nanokuthi siyafisa ukuthi ama-engagements ayiqhubeka ngaphandle kube nenqubekela phambili, kube khona nama-outcomes are-positive, abantu bakwazi ukuthi bathuthuke out there. Thank you so much for your time.
Thank you.